Professor. So we are here today to do our podcast, which is the topic is what is the role of communication in fostering self growth and development. So first, let's welcome my members. First, Ronald Robinson Bera, John Darrell Pedrosa, Mark E. Jason Wan, and last, which is Miss Daphne Janela Baldeo. So for opening statement, let's welcome Jan Darrell Pedrosa.
Thank you, Ms. Charm. Okay, the first, welcome to our podcast today. We talk about how communication can help us grow or develop as people. That the first step is a growing as a person to know yourself. This is the call self-awareness and communication can really help with is this. We will talk about our experience, feeling, thought, we start to understand ourselves better. We can see partner or our behavior and find an area where we can improve. I it's like a shining a light on our own minds by putting in our thought, emotion into the word. We can step back and look on ourselves more clearly. But self-awareness is just to begin a communication and also to help us learning from others. We we can talk to people, we hear their different view or experience. This can unforgettable at first, but is really important to grow. Listening to our challenge and our belief and ideas, it make us more it make make us more open-minded and able to see things a new way. But communicating is with people who are different from us. We expand our understanding of the world. We become our curiosity adaptable. The next.
Yes, I agree with that, Miss Rona. And also, communication plays a big part in our society, in our world today. Because if we don't communicate how we expand our knowledge, our ideas with others, kasi if we communicate, we also learn. We also gain knowledge from others, opinions of theirs towards a specific topic like that. So and so on and so forth. So I believe communication is the key to is the key to also share ideas with others to learn like that.
I agree with Miss Charm. Like what I said, learning also and engaging in conversation, like reading and listening to other people' perspective, and to provide opportunities for acquiring new knowledge, skills, and insight, and contributing to personal development also in communication.
Like, sa mga kasabihan nga, 'di ba, communication is the key, but communication really is the key kasi in communication, it involves giving and receiving feedback, like constructive criticism enable for us to have a room for self-growth and development and improvement and encourage our self-reflection leading to personal growth.
I agree, it's hard, but it's other key the part of growth is learning to understand, manage and our emotion as communication, but it's crucial is for this too. When we talk about our feel, whether it's happiness or angry, sadness, we're practicing emotionally awareness. We were learning to recognize or expressing what going on inside us. The emotional intelligence is important for our overall well-beginning of personal development. And by communicating, we empathy, we can build stronger relationship that support our growth.
Yes, I'd like to add an example like that. For example, you're in a private school, so you're used to private school, di ba? So, in college, maraming nagsasabi na when you enter public universities, you met and encounter some people that share their life and then their opinions, like paano sila namumuhay. So you understand, and also you also sometimes change your perspective towards that topic, like oh ganito pala, so yon, so nababago rin tayo ng sistema and also the communication, ganun. Yeah. Would you like Mr. Idris and want to add some insights or opinions?
Yes, just want to add then something, no, just like what you said last time, no, in terms of relationship, no, it also build a strong connection nga with other people to foster supportive environment, and also to conduct a growth where individuals can share, express, and seek advice and offer encouragement also to their fellow Filipino as well.
I want to share you my experience or really in my life. In my life, I even how to communicate or to help and grow to develop as a person. When I start my new job a few years ago, going to alam that is Talay restaurant with is terminal of bus. I was very shy. I didn't speak of much in meeting, but over time, I push myself to be more vocal and share my idea. This was hard at first, but I really paid off. I gained a better understanding my own strength or weakness. I also learned from different perspective, my coworker, and which made a more open-minded. Mostly and importantly, communicating more to help me in building stronger relationship with my colleagues. This connection it provides support and inspiration as navigate our challenge of my new roles. Look back, I can see how my willingness to communicate more effectively. Um, I was key a part of my personal professional development. It also is a lesson I continue to apply in all area of my life, and I hope my story to show how to communication can can be a powerful tools of for self growth and embracing the power of communication, and we can all unlock our potential to become the best version ourselves. Um, um, before we end up this this big podcast, we are my conclusion about the podcast, our topic is that communication not just about sharing the information, is a powerful tool for self-discover or personal growth or become the best version of ourselves. Um, by embracing the power of communication, we can unlock a new level of self-awareness or emotional intelligence or of adaptability we can help learn as a growing throughout our lives. That's we all. Thank you, Miss.
Um, um, that story of Mr. John Darrell comes with a hits me with the realization that community plays a big part talaga, no? Kasi if shyness take over everything from us, we don't grow as a person. We don't gain development to us. Kasi if shyness always like ayoko nahihiya ako like that. So how we can grow? If mahiya tayo, paano tayo makaka-communicate? Paano tayo makaka-gain ng friends, ng ganyan na makasama natin, and also those opportunities na nawawala sa atin because of our shyness is sayang, 'di ba? So we should always use communication to achieve something, to so we could always foster and also enrich our self growth and development.
Um,
Ah,
to add up lang sa sinabi ng to add up sa sinabi ni Miss Charm, yun nga, if you will miss an opportunity because hindi ka makipag-communicate, that is so sayang, di ba? Kasi communication involves not only expressing ourselves but also understanding others. Di ba? Like, we have to practice active listening and empathy para we all individuals can develop interpersonal skills and emotional intelligence, just like what Mr. Pedrosa said. Kasi it is very essential for our personal growth and building meaningful relationships.
I do agree with all of you guys. You guys made a really good point. Just to sum up this podcast, I just want to remind you guys, and let's not
ah,
forget this what I'm going to say. I do understand that communication is important. Why? Because in communication, we are actually learning. How? In communication, we are hearing different perspective, different opinions, different insight from different peoples. And with that, we are actually learning. We
Dirk
are learning
Taronan.
from others' mistakes na pwede nating maiwasan kasi nga nagawa nila and nakwento na nila. And with that, may iwasan na natin yon. But I just want to remind you guys that self-communication or communicating with ourselves is also important because in communicating with ourselves, we are also reflecting to ourselves. We are reflecting to our decisions, we are reflecting to our actions. And with that reflections, we are actually realizing things. And with that realizations, we aims to do better and become a better version of ourselves. And eventually, yung kapag nakapag-realization tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng self-growth as a person and nagkakaroon tayo ng character development as an individual. And may mga natututunan tayo sa realizations natin. And I guess that will be all. Again, this is Rona Simbero.
My name is Charm Louis Saison.
My name is Mark EJC San Juan.
My name is Jandarji Pedrosa.
And my name is Daphne Janela A. Baldeo.
Goodbye, everyone.